Hi everybody, it's Ms. Baker. I am going to take you through the website, our Blackboard page for English 111 Writing and Inquiry. And you will see right now that this is the home page. So I'm scrolling down. This is where announcements will appear. And you'll see that I already have a welcome video for you to watch. It should open in YouTube, and closed captioning is available if you need that. I will post announcements on Mondays, so you will usually see something right around here that says Monday Message Week 1 or Monday Message Week 2. So let's scroll back up and take a look at our left-hand toolbar. Over here, of course, we have announcements. The thing that we want to look at first for this class is going to be the syllabus. So we'll click on Syllabus, and we will note that it's right here. You can download this to your computer. I would highly suggest that you do that, or you can just open it and view it. Once you have read the syllabus, part of your Week 1 assignment will be to schedule your to assign your student acknowledgement form. And the way that you can do this is you can click on Mark Reviewed. That tells me that you have read and acknowledged everything that the syllabus says, and it's basically your electronic signature. So after you've read the syllabus here, you come to Student Acknowledgement Form, read that. You have to open it and read it, and then you can hit Mark Reviewed. Also under Syllabus, you'll see general policies about academic integrity. That talks about plagiarism. Self-plagiarism is a thing. You may not use your papers over and over again. If you have a question about self-plagiarism, let me know, but you cannot recycle a paper from one class to another. Our confidentiality policy means I can't talk to your parents without or anyone else in your family without express permission. Disability services, Title IX, campus safety, minors on campus, cell phones. As you'll see right here, this applies to seated and hybrid courses. Inclement weather policy, and student technical and academic resources. Okay, the next thing down is going to be My Instructor. And of course, that's me. There's a little picture that will load of me. Here's my office hour information, my phone number, and my office location. If you don't have your textbook yet, here are pictures of what you need. So we need the Norton Field Guide in green and the Little Seagull Handbook in blue. You need to complete your enrollment verification quiz. Note the date over here is August 25th, 18. So after that date, you will be considered as a non-attend if you have not completed your enrollment verification quiz. The course navigation guide is right here. This gives you information that basically what I'm going over right now. And so you can read through this on your own. It talks about discussion board rules, resources, things that you should know, my policy on late work, which is I don't accept any. And we can talk about that at a different time if you have questions. Finally, we get over in this section to our course schedule. And this is going to show you week by week what you're going to be expected to do. It's got due dates in it. It goes all the way through the semester. In my welcome video, I talked about how you need to have a calendar or a planner of some sort, whether it's electronic or on your phone, or you buy one from Walmart, but you need to keep track of these due dates. So I'm scrolling down. You can see we go all the way to the last day of class, which is December 14th, technically, is the last due date, and you'll see these right here. Okay, this schedule could be subject to change in that I may switch up some readings, or I may extend a due date if we have inclement weather or something like that. Over here, we go to weekly assignments. So we've seen the schedule, but weekly assignments look a little bit different. This tells you specifically what to do and how to do it. So for week 1, we click here on week 1. And your screen may look a little bit different than mine. I'm in student preview, but again, I have faculty access, so mine may look a little bit different. You may not see exactly the same thing. So in week 1, you'll see here are your directions. Then we've got an introduction discussion post. We'll talk about writing process. You'll upload something to your student portfolio, and all of these are links, so you can click on these. And then we're going to be using Inquisitive to work on some grammar skills. And Inquisitive, you'll click on here. I hope to have some videos uploaded to help you there. And then finally, you'll have an introductory quiz. So that is week 1's work. So I'm not going to go through each week, but that's how you access that. All right, student portfolios, I'm going to click here. And right now, there's nothing there because nobody's populated in the class. But when you click on it, you should see your name. And if you don't, please let me know. Under Resources, you'll see the Inquisitive Activities link. Here's a link to the e-text. I had some folks ask me if we did have an e-text. We technically don't, but you can access it online. You must have a Norton account to access it online, so you do need to actually purchase the book and be able to see it online. Smart Thinking is an online paper review service. It's a great thing that I'll be talking about as we get into essay writing, revision, peer review. The library, if you're a returning student, the library website looks brand new. It's really awesome. There's a lot of information about citation. You can look up lots of different electronic resources like databases and so forth. And this right here is your library orientation. That's a cool video that will provide you with the new website orientation, its tools, and the Summon search feature. If any of you have been to a four-year school before, you may be familiar with Summon. We do have that now at JCC. We're one of the first community colleges to get Summon. Down here, if you're looking for a job, JCC Career Services Center can help you. We will talk a little bit about finding a topic in your career field to research, and so the Career Services Center may help you do that. Scrolling back up, you can view sample papers here. I will be adding and subtracting from this section as we go on, but you should be able to see some sample papers appear there. Down here in this area, we've got Blackboard Help. The Tools area, purchase course materials from Barnes & Noble. Course evaluations will be at the end, and then you can access your JCC email from here. And then let's click on My Grades, and it should show me absolutely nothing. Because, yeah. Okay, so right here, this is what your grade book is going to look like. This is what it'll look like from your standpoint. You will be able to see all of the assignments that you have due, and when they're graded, your grade will appear here on this right side, okay? And if there are comments, then you should see a link to be able to access those comments. I'll probably make comments on your papers or discussion boards, that kind of thing. Please remember, I teach 6 classes. I teach 2 fast-track courses. I teach at the high school, and I teach online. I will do my best to get your papers back within 2 weeks, but again, I teach a lot of students in a lot of courses, so I will do my best, but be patient with me and hang tight. I'm returning your grades as quickly as I can. So that's how to access all of that. Your default page when you open the course is always going to come to the announcements page. So you can see here, this tells us we're in English 111 Writing and Inquiry, and we're part of the USET, University Studies and Educational Technology Department. So again, announcements will appear here, so you can check it out when I post your Monday message for week 1.